Thanks for joining us for this guided meditation. Settle into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Allow yourself to begin to relax, allowing the body to become heavy. Take a moment and notice how your body feels. You might notice tension or a sense of calm and ease. Letting go of any tension or pressure. Now bringing your attention to where you notice the sensation of breath moving through your body most strongly. Noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. Avoid trying to control the breath, not trying to change it in any way. Just breathing naturally, staying with the entire length of the breath. Letting the mind rest completely now. Do whatever it wants to do. Feeling your body where it meets the floor. And when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes. And just maintaining that mindful awareness as you move into the rest of your day.